If you've ever typed a prompt into an AI chatbot and thought, why is this so generic? You're not alone. I'm here to help you go from vague prompts to crystal clear instructions that get the results you actually want. I'm Simple AI Life, and I help beginners learn how to prompt, step by step. Grab my free prompt PDF and one-page cheat sheet at stan.store/simpleailife. Just enter your email so I can send it to you, and invite you into our community for feedback and weekly tips. Here's a quick framework you can use today. GCCE. Goal. What do you want? Summarize, brainstorm, write, improve, evaluate. Context. Who's the audience and why does it matter? Constraints. Tone, length, format, do's and don'ts, examples, citations. Evidence/examples. Paste a sample, bullet points, or data the AI should follow. When you include these 4 parts, your results instantly become clearer and more consistent. Vague prompt. Write a blog about AI. Upgraded prompt using GCCE. You are a friendly tech blogger. Task. Write a 600-word beginner-friendly article explaining how to use AI chatbots to plan a YouTube content calendar. Audience. New creators. Constraints. Conversational tone, short paragraphs, bullet list of 5 steps, include 1 example prompt. Avoid jargon. Define any technical term in 1 sentence. See the difference? Specific role, task, audience, length, tone, and rules. That's how you go from meh to meaningful. In my free PDF, you'll get plug-and-play prompt templates for brainstorming, content creation, rewriting, research, and more. Plus, a 1-page cheat sheet you can keep next to your screen. You'll also get an invite to our community where you can share your prompts and get feedback. And if you want weekly, bite-sized lessons and live prompt makeovers, subscribe to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/@simplealife. Ready to get better results fast? Head to stan.store/simplealife. Pop in your email, download the free prompt PDF, and I'll see you inside the community. Let's make your prompts do the heavy lifting. Remember to subscribe for weekly tips at youtube.com/@simplealife.